The history of cannons in India is quite fascinating and dates back several centuries. Cannon was introduced to India around the 14th century by the Delhi Sultanate. These early cannons were relatively simple and small, but they marked the beginning of gunpowder weaponry in India. The use of cannon became more widespread during the Mughal Empire 16th to 18th century. The Mughals, particularly Emperor Babur, are credited with using cannons effectively in battles. Babur used cannon in the Battle of Panipat in 1526, which was a turning point in Indian history. During this period, the technology and craftsmanship of cannon making improved significantly. Cannons became larger and more powerful, and they were used both in warfare and in fortifications. The Mughals built some of the largest cannon of the time, such as the famous Javana cannon, which is still on display at the Jaigarh Fort in Rajasthan. The Marathas, under leaders like Shivaji, also made extensive use of cannons. They used them to defend their forts and in battles against the Mughals and other regional powers. Cannons were also used by other kingdoms in South India and the Mysore kingdom under Tipu Sultan. The arrival of British East India Company in the 18th century brought European advancement in cannon technology to India. The British improved the quality and range of cannons, and these were used extensively in battles against Indian rulers, including the famous Battle of the Anglo-Mysore Wars and the Anglo-Maratha Wars. By the mid-19th century, with the advent of more advanced firearms and artillery, the use of traditional cannons began to decline. However, cannon remained an important symbol of military power and heritage in India. Thank you very much.